In 3, 2, 1. I stay out too late. Got nothing in my brain. And that's what people say. That's what people say. I go on too many dates, but I can make them stay. And that's what people say. That's what people say. But I keep cruising. Can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. Cause the player's gonna play. And the hater's gonna hate. Baby, I'm just gonna shake. Shake it off and shake it off. And heartbreaker's gonna break. And the faker's gonna fake. Baby, I'm just gonna shake. Shake it off and shake it off. I never miss a beat. I'm lightning on my feet. And that's what they don't see. That's what they don't see. I'm dancing on my own. I make the moves up as I go. And that's what they don't know. That's what they don't know. But I keep cruising. Can't stop, won't stop grooving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. Cause the player's gonna play. And the hater's gonna hate. Baby, I'm just gonna shake. Shake it off. And heartbreaker's gonna break. And the faker's gonna fake. Baby, I'm just gonna shake. Shake it off and shake it off. 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 Cause the player's gonna play. And the hater's gonna hate. Baby, I'm just gonna shake. Shake it off and shake it off. And heartbreaker's gonna break. And the faker's gonna fake. Baby, I'm just gonna shake. Shake it off. Shake it off and shake it off. Shake it off and shake it off. Shake it off and shake it off. Shake it off. We did it. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Also, if you have just recently hit that red subscribe button, welcome to the Uke fam, the best Uke fam on the YouTubes. In my personal opinion, thank you so much for joining and being here. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is this beautiful uke that you are playing? This is a concert-sized Leolani ukulele. It literally, if you know, watched any of my videos or my channel or have just been around my Instagram, you know that Leolani is a staple in my collection. They are an awesome Hawaiian company, and we have been working together for the past 2 years, so I absolutely love them. I trust this brand like they are my own family. Well, they are my family, pretty much. We've been working together for 2 years. You know, it's the love. So if you do want to go get this, I'll leave a link to this uke in the description. It's absolutely amazing. They do also carry the Kumu series, which are absolutely amazing. And also, we did do my signature Leolani ukulele. I'll leave the link down below. We currently sold out, but we might do a restock sometime soon, so keep an eye out on that. Also, if you do want to save some money on any of the Leolani or Kumu ukulele series ukuleles, you can use code Ricky10 to save $10 off your entire purchase. Again, that is Ricky10 to save $10 off your entire purchase. So again, thank you so much to the team at Leolani Kumu for being absolutely amazing, creating absolutely amazing sounding and beautiful looking ukes, and also just being an absolutely amazing and beautiful company to work with and be around, and hopefully you guys love them as well. Highly recommend if you're in the market for a soprano, concert, tenor. They have them all. Definitely check a look. Again, link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching. Also links to all of my socials and merch. Currently wearing the Uke Fam hoodie. Also links to all of my socials just are at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me. We are currently really active on Instagram and TikTok and Patreon. I also do have Twitter. Make sure to add me on TikTok if you are not. We're doing some really cool dance moves. They're definitely cooler than this. So make sure to go check it out. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.